Good evening, everyone. Softail Junky here. Not a lot of progress made on the CB400 here lately in the past little bit, waiting on some parts. Once we get that rolling, we'll start catching up a little bit. The cool thing here is I'd like to report on just a little bit of a short video, not really big long thing here. The owner of the Rokon, the first owner, the original owner, visited the house today, and it's Charlie's dad. So they're visiting, and he's seen all the videos, and he was very excited to see it, and let you see his reaction to that. It's pretty cool. So stay tuned, everyone. Let's see this little short video, and appreciate you. Good evening, everyone. This is Softail Junky here. This is Ron. This is Charlie's brother, and this is Mr. Colpus, Charlie's dad, and he is the original owner of the Rokon. So we're very, very blessed to have them here with us today. They came down to visit Charlie and Angie, and Mr. Colpus, give us a little history of this bike.
Well, the bike originally was my best friend Pat Tiffany's bike. He had two of them, and we used to run enduros back in the 70s. And I showed him the video, and he was just thrilled with it. And just can't thank you enough for what you've done. I mean, you brought back a lot of memories and saved something for posterity.
Man, that's really cool.
Yeah. You got a lot of pictures of these bikes from the days out riding and stuff too.
Yeah, you got some, yeah.
So I remember these from being a kid. I was telling Jack earlier, we went riding up there in Michigan, and it was really sandy, and I had a little mini bike. I think it was 6 or 7 years old, and I couldn't ride, so it was probably this one or the other one. I rode on the back of that thing that whole day with Pat.
Well, Pat, I wish you could throw a leg over this thing, take it for a ride. I've seen it running, and you'd be thrilled to death.
Well, Pat, get to Panama City, and you can check them out.
Yeah, I was kind of hoping Mr. Colpus could get on it, but I don't know if you can. This is his new cycle.
That's my new ride. Thanks to Sandy.
Yeah. Well, thank you guys. I appreciate you so much.
Same here.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Thank you, Ron.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate y'all.